Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Harika. So in today's video, I am going to talk about one latest topic or latest feature that's been part of UiPath apps. So what is this feature? What is this new thing that I'm going to talk about? So before I talk about it or give some idea about it, I wanted to run you through this small demo, which will make you understand very clearly from end to end. So firstly, if you see here, the app that I'm going to talk about, I just created a simple app. So when we are recreating, I'll try to give more enhancements to the existing one. This is just a small demo to just show you the functionality of the new feature. So if you see here, I just created one small app that is the world clock. If you give the time of different country, it's gonna, sorry, if you give the name of the different countries over here, it's gonna provide you the time exactly at that particular place. Okay. So now if I just okay, so I'm gonna give this. So if you see, this will give you the updated time. So it's 8:22. It has provided you exactly 8:22. And then if I just give New York, the time in New York is 22:53, right? So like that, it's gonna provide you. And if you observe the thing here, it has updated just in a fraction of seconds. So earlier it was taking a longer time, whatever the time that it was there, right, to hit the studio and to run the process and to provide you the output. So it has taken a lot of time, longer time, right? But here, if you observe, the same thing has become very easy, very quick. It has updated in a fraction of seconds. So this is what the end users want. They don't want to wait for the, wait for longer for the output to display on their screen. So if such the case, then everyone wants that. No one wants to wait it for the output, right? So in that case, this will definitely help you. And as per me, if you ask me, this is the most interesting feature as I was exploring new features of apps. So this is one thing that I've came across. So I'm going to create a video on this from end to end, how you can create this real time communication, right, to the I'll just show you the document from where I've referred this. And if you wanted to recreate, then this is the best document that you can refer, because it has all the details from where you can get all this information and what is necessary, what are the prerequisites, and what is the capabilities that this provides you. Just on a high level, I'm going to provide give you some information, and then we are going to recreate this whole thing from end to end. Okay. So if you see, this is basically attended automation. So right now it's completely in attended mode. If you see here, in future they're going to implement the same for the unattended automation, but right now it's completely in attended. So you have to ensure that you create the process in the attended mode. So apps attended robot real-time communication. That means there's no gap, or there's whatever the waiting period is there, that's got to minimum. Okay, that's the real-time communication. This allows you to communicate between apps and attended robots in real time. With this feature, we will be solving the performance issue of starting a new process every time. So that means we are still hitting the process. That means we're still running the process in the background, but not every single time we are going to do that. That means the connection is still established when you run the process for the first time. And uh, and if you're wondered how come this connection is completely established and you can still keep running the process, I'll tell you. So if you remember, if you have seen the forms video which I've done after 23.4 release, that will help you to understand this concept very quick, because I have talked about all the kind of triggers that we use in the form, and how this helps in the attended automation, right? So this is also similar to that. I'm going to talk about how it works and how what is the background of this in short time. So using this capability, an app can start a process and communicate with the process any number of times by invoking various XAMLs in the process, right? So earlier we used to have only one XAML, and if we have to work on different functionalities, we have to create multiple automation projects. But now it's just a single process. We can keep communicate with that process any number of times. Okay. And this provides instantaneous real-time communication between apps and the robots and frees up the time required to start the process every time, right? So that's how we can reduce that processing time. Okay, so and if it is, this is the main feature of this real-time communication in attended apps. Okay, so if you see these or how it will help you, so there's a release notes on this. You can just read it if you're interested. But in soon time, maybe in tomorrow or by end of today, I'm going to release a video on this already. But before to that, if you're eager, if you're excited, then definitely this document will help you out. Okay, and yeah, I'm super excited. I'll create a video on this, on step-by-step tutorial of how you can develop this attended apps in the real-time communication, how it will looks like a real-time communication. So great. So if you're interested and if you want this to be coming sooner, do let me know in the comments. And also I'll see you with a great video next time. I hope this is one of the best feature in the apps, because whenever I work with different people, the only thing that disappoints them is this communication time. So I think this is the best feature, and you will also will love it. And it's not so difficult to create, and the whatever the background that's happening is very very interesting. And I'll see you in the recreation video, step by step tutorial video on this app's attended real-time communication video. So if you are really interested or if you like the feature, do let me know in the comments. And also do subscribe and like the videos. And if you haven't watched the recent video on 23.10, it's up on my channel. Go check it out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.